happy 7th birthday, Ate Celine, and happy 3rd birthday, Ate Yan Yan. Wishing you both a wonderful day filled with love and happiness. On this day, may your all birthday wishes come true, and you both deserve all the best in the world. Yes, Mommy. Always remember that you both are special and a gift to the people around you, especially to your parents. May you two stay kind and loving daughters. We're wishing you both good health always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Celine, Ate Yan Yan, Momo.
Lucas! Lucas!
Lapis.
Mwah! Bye! See you!
Hello mga kumares and amigas ko. It's your special day and happy birthday Yan Yan and Celine. I hope you have a super birthday celebration with yummy cakes, colorful balloons, and nice presents. I hope also you grow up smart and good as your mom and dad. Always listen to your mom and dad, okay? And I hope to see you soon here in Chonburi so that we can have a little celebration. And God bless you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, little best friend Celine. I hope you have the best day ever. And I know that you'll be an amazing artist one day just like me. Keep making TikToks, huh? And I miss you. Can't wait to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Celine and Yan Yan. So last year, nung nagpunta kami ng Thailand, we really had fun because you guys made our trip more memorable, especially yung ating dinner sa cruise. And I'm just happy na nakita ko na kayo parehas ng personal. And ngayong birthday nyo, I just pray for good health and naway lumaki kayong may takot sa Diyos and lumaki kayong healthy, malayo sa anumang karamdaman at and of course laging masaya. And ayun lang, I love you both. Enjoy kayo dyan. Ingat.
Vlog starts in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Celine Yan Yan. I hope you have a wonderful 7th birthday, Celine.
Yeah, same.
Hi Celine, hi Yan Yan, how are you both? I wish you all the happiest birthday. May the good Lord bless you and grant you the desires of your heart. Stay healthy, be good, and always listen to your parents. I love you both. God bless. Bye.
Hi, Celine. It's me, Benz, your playmate from Thailand, and happy birthday to you and your sister Yan Yan. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Yan Yan and Celine. Happy birthday, mga boss. Love you. Mag-aaral mabuti. Happy birthday, Yan Yan. Happy birthday, Ate Celine. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love
Hi! Happy birthday, Yan Yan and Celine. We love you so much. Bye!
Happy birthday, Celine, and happy birthday, Yan Yan. Love you!
Happy birthday to my beautiful, sweet mga apos, Yan Yan and Darcelen. Ang wish ko sa inyo, lahat sana, all your dreams come true. Okay? Magpapakabait kayo. Love, love, Wowa. And I love you so much. Mwah! 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 Hi, Yan Anselin. Happy birthday. God bless you. And nalipata mo. Tama na yun. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah. Happy birthday, Yan Darcelin. I love you. Mga apo. God bless. I love you.
See you soon.
Hey!
Happy birthday, Yanyan. Happy birthday, Celine. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Love you.
Bye!
Yan, happy birthday. Silay. I love you. Mga apo. God bless.
Happy birthday Celine Yan. I love you.
Hi, Celine. Hi, Yan. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki kayong mabait at matalino at may takot sa Diyos. Thank you. Bye.
Birthday Yan. Happy birthday Celine. I love you.
Yan, hi Celine. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you more birthdays to come. And my wish for you, Celine, is to be good girl. And also for Yan. Celine, be happy to Yan. Take good care of her if your mom is not there. Also to Yan, always follow your ate Celine, okay? Don't quarrel. Just love each other and obey. Don't fight, okay? Always follow your mommy and your daddy. Okay, that's all. We love you, Celine and Yan. Again, happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Celine and Yanyan. I love you so much and I miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Yan and Celine. Miss na kayo ni Kuya. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, someone now. Miss you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.